Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Okay, this week we are going to start with the animals, okay? The name of this unit is called I Take Harry to the Vet. Harry is Alex's dog. Okay, let's watch a video of Alex.
I take Harry to the vet. I'm sad. Harry, my dog, is ill. We're taking him to the vet. I wonder what we'll see there.
Alex, are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
Come on, let's go.
Bye.
Oh, Alex is sad. His dog is a little bit ill. Oh, okay. Now, look, this is the vet where the animals go when they are ill. And here we have Harry's dog. Alex's dog. His name is Harry. Okay, now we are going to see the vocabulary and we will have to repeat, okay? You listen to the animal and at your house you repeat. Are you ready? Let's start.
Parrot,
Okay, now you parrot.
dog, hamster, cat,
Are you repeating?
bird, rabbit, fish, turtle,
Okay, so this is the vocabulary we are going to use in this unit. Now we are going to sing the chant. So everybody please sing at your houses. Let's start.
listening 22. Let's dance and chant.
I got a parrot, parrot, parrot. I got a dog, dog, dog. I got a hamster, hamster, hamster. I got a cat, cat, cat. I got a bird, bird, bird. I got a rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. I got a fish, fish, fish. I got a turtle, turtle, turtle.
Okay, I hope that you sang. Okay, now we are going to put the stickers, the thing you like the most. Okay, get your stickers and put them correctly. When you finish putting the stickers, we are going to sing another song. So please, everybody, stand up, sing, and dance. Everybody sing and dance.
I've got a rabbit.
I've got a rabbit.
My rabbit can run.
My rabbit can run.
Run.
I've got a dog.
I've got a dog.
My dog can run too.
My dog can run too.
I've got a turtle.
I've got a turtle.
My turtle can swim.
My turtle can swim.
I've got a fish.
I've got a fish.
My fish can swim too.
My fish can swim too.
I've got a parrot.
I've got a parrot.
My parrot can fly.
My parrot can fly.
I've got a bird.
I've got a bird.
My bird can fly too.
My bird can fly too.
I've got a hamster.
I've got a hamster.
My hamster can climb.
My hamster can climb.
I've got a cat.
I've got a cat.
My too.
My cat can climb too.
I hope that you danced and you sang. Very good. So look, here we have 8 animals. Parrot, dog, hamster, cat, bird, rabbit, fish, and turtle. Now we will have to think your favorite, and you have to choose 4. 4 animals, okay? And look, what are we going to do? We will get a piece of paper and we will put the animals. And we will choose 4. Look, these are the 4 that I choose. Okay? I've got. What is I've got? I've got is yo tinc un gat. Okay? I've got a cat. I've got a fish. Yo tinc un peix. I've got a bird. Yo tinc un pardalet. I've got a dog. Yo tinc un gos. So we will have to choose 4. It doesn't matter if we don't have it. No passa res si no teniu 4 animals. Se ho inventeu. Ok? Aleshores, perquè jo no tinc ningun animal d'estos, però jo he posat que el tinc. I've got a cat, I've got a bird, I've got a fish, and I've got a dog. We will write, ho escriurem, and we will draw, i dibuixarem l'animal. Okay? And then you will send it to my mail. Bye bye, girls and boys.